Welcome to a teeny tiny bathroom in a bungalow from the 1950s in southern Ontario. We're actually in Toronto in the West End, and this bathroom is a room that we really needed to renovate right from the beginning. Now, if any of you know bungalows from this era, you ended up with these really deep bathrooms, and as much as we wanted to change the shape of this space, we just simply could not because of the size of the house. So we ended up having to work with it. But that doesn't mean you can't do things in here to really update it. Now, we did take this right down to the studs because there was some plumbing, electrical, and flooring issues. So we started right from the beginning, had great professionals in to resolve many of the issues in here, and then started our decor. Now, originally there was a single sink in here, and that does not work for a family of 4. So we added in a freestanding vanity with 2 sinks. And one of the issues before was the vanity was pushed right against the door frame, which cuts into the door frame. You do not want this. This is a no-no. So what we did to resolve this, because we had lots of room, is we took the vanity and floated it off the wall. It's quite common today. It's a freestanding vanity, which allows us to still have a big vanity and great storage, but it doesn't cut into the end of the door. Second thing we did was we added, instead of doors, drawers in the vanity. And this is important because it gives us great storage. In a bathroom, you tend to have a lot of small things, so this works really well. They cut out for the plumbing, so this fits around the trap. And then on the bottom drawer, we actually have great towel storage. So you can see that drawers actually give you more effective storage in the bathroom. Now, I'm going to tell you, it does cost more up front. So you can't have it all. You either pay less and you have doors, or you pay more and you have drawers. But drawers are going to give you better storage. So in my opinion, in a bathroom, who doesn't need more storage? Spend the money on it. The other issue we have in here is it's very narrow. You can see I can't even stretch all the way across. So instead of adding a towel bar that sticks out into the space, we actually added hooks here. Now, you want to be careful what height you put these at, because you don't want it to be that someone runs right into them. But one of the things that we find is that people really don't hang up their towels, at least not nicely. So adding the hooks gives you an excuse to just chuck your towel on something and not have to display it decoratively. Because we have a long bathroom and no linen closet in this house, we actually had room to add a full-size cabinet. So this becomes our linen storage and or medicine cabinet, whatever else you need to put in here. Having a high shelf is also beneficial because we could store any kind of medicines, items that the kids, we don't want them to touch, up high and they can't get to it. And of course, we really had no choice but to put our tub and shower back in the same location, but we cleaned it up and gave it a much more modern feel. Nice thing about this bathroom, it had an existing window that we kept. We didn't get rid of that, and it gives us a nice brightness. So you can see just by updating your color, your style, you can really work with what's in space, even though it might be a difficult space, and make it work for you and make it worth your time. And that was the whole point of doing this bathroom.